dude. Scotty, you're missing it.
There's nothing yet.
Right there. Right in the middle of the street. If I get shocked by lightning, y'all seen this. Because I'm going to die. I love it.
That one was like going before.
How long is the video?
I guess 7 minutes. I'm not doing all 7 minutes. I got to delete some video. Where? That's in, yeah, that's Wisconsin.
Yeah. Alright, I'm going to give Dad a call.
I'm on
Okay.
Shit, dude, I'm getting away from the electric.
Good idea, yeah.
Since there's exposed wire right there.
That's kind of like a tree, so it'll hit the pole and everything will come down.
Getting
Hey, you
fucking
guys want one?
It's like, yeah.
What is it? Gum?
Try it.
Yeah.
Want me to open it?
No. I
Alex.
can do it.
Gum?